So welcome back guys. Previously we have seen that this is the overall scenario, that why do we need the first moment, why do we need the second moment, and what is the first moment. First moment of the random variable is called the expected value, while the second moment is the variance. But the question here is that how to find them out. So let me move down somehow. Okay, so here let me see that how to find them out. So previously we have seen that the expected value of any random variable can be found out by multiplying each value of the random variable with the probability it has. Okay, so what is this? This is the expected value. Okay, or also the average value. Similarly, in order to find the variance, okay, so how can we find out the variance? In order to find out the variance, variance is represented by delta, okay, and this is basically the delta square. In order to find it out, what do we have to do? I have to first find the expected value, okay, and after finding out the expected value, we have to subtract it from the each data point which we will have here, then square it, okay, and then I have to multiply it with the probability it has. Okay, so here by using this one, what we can do, we can find out the value of the variance, okay, which is given here. So this is what this is called a variance. Okay, apart from it, we can also see that this variance or sigma square is also equal to what? This is basically the value of x minus e of x and square of it. Okay, and this is what this is called the variance. Okay, so if we have this formula, what we can do here is that, let me open it. So in order to open it, what we will have, as we can see that this is x minus ex, so we can also use here a minus b formulation, and here in order to apply it, what I will get, a square plus b square minus 2ab. okay, so applying this formula here, what we will get, we will get here x square minus, so ex whole square, and similarly minus 2x e of x. Okay, this is the formula. According to the formula, when we have opened it, I will get this thing. Okay, so now in order to find out the expected value of it and separating them out, what I will get, separately applying this expected value, because this is a linear property, we will get ex square plus expected value of the expected value is again the expected value. So here we will get the ex square again, and here this expected value will be here, this expected value will remain the same, while this x will give me the expected value. So therefore here we will get expected value of x multiplied by the expected value of x. Let me remove it for more clarity. Multiplied by expected value of x. Okay, so these two will multiply together, and here I will get expected value of x square plus ex whole square and minus 2ex whole square. Okay, so let me move down somehow. What I will get here, I will get these will be subtracted from each other, and here we will get ex square minus ex whole square, and this is what this is called sigma square. And in many places we can see that ex is also denoted by a mu. So therefore replacing it here, what I will get, I will get here sigma square is equal to ex square minus mu square, and that is the final outcome, or also called the variance of the random variable x. Okay, so what is this? This is called the variance of a random variable x. Okay, in order to find out the standard deviation, what we can do, in order to find the standard deviation, that is represented by st, and that is basically the square root of this variance. And in order to find it out, we have to just take the square root of the variance, and this will give me the standard deviation, and this is very easily calculated here. Okay, so these are the formulas which we have found out for finding out the variance. So we have two choices: either we can use the formula A or we can use formula B as well, and after them we can deploy or use this formula C. So whatever you want feasible, you can find them out, but for each of them, what do we have to do? We have to find out the value of this mu, because this is what, this is basically the mean value of our random variable. Okay, so I think it's enough for today, in which we have discussed the variance and standard deviation, and I will see you with the numerical example comprising of the standard deviation and variance in our upcoming video. Till then, take care of yourself.